Alright all, Pit Bike Mike with our bad decision Saturday. So, I know I talked to you guys about the KTM 790. Well, tragic mistake. I have bought a 2022 890 GP Duke. Fancy livery on it, good color. Yeah, tough little bike, man. I'll tell you what. Alright, let's get this thing started up here. It's cold. Real cold out, so. Alright, ice warning. Look at that, isn't that cool? Ooh. Listen to that motor. Alright, so we got a nice, beautiful TFT display right here, full color. Got your riding mode, speedometer, fuel, coolant temp, ABS. Yeah, sounds good. We're not going to do anything crazy with it on the first ride since it's, you know, mighty cold out today. We're just gonna we're gonna be careful, take it slow. You know, it's says 33 on there, but I think that's kind of optimistic, to be honest. We're probably closer to 20 something degrees right now. All right, so we do have it in rain mode, just because oh man, my visor's fogging up already. We do have it in rain mode due to it being kind of cold out. Brand new tires, the whole nine, so I'm not trying to get too crazy with it. So this thing does have a quick shifter, but we're gonna get going. All right. Here we go. So this is a parallel twin 890cc, I'm guessing, roughly. Well, I really didn't get the whole specs on this thing. This was a splurge purchase because I truly wasn't planning on getting this today. I don't know what it did. Alright, here we go. On the road we go. Alright, we're gonna try the quick shifter. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that fancy? So, yeah, wasn't planning on buying this today, but I was looking at it. She was extremely pretty. And yeah, I couldn't really stop myself, unfortunately. So it's life. But yeah. Oh man, the effortless power. This thing supposedly has around 115 horsepower, which is close to what my GSXS, actually it's more than what my GSXS had. So definitely an upgrade in that aspect of things. But right now cruising at 50 mile an hour, or not 50, fifth gear, 42 mile an hour. It's pretty smooth. Now this thing has a bi-directional quick shifter, so let's try going down. Ooh, that was easy. So yeah, like I said, I'm in rain mode, so because I got the tech pack, I have the different riding modes and stuff. So alright, it's on street mode now. I don't know how much of a difference that's gonna make, but it'll probably make the throttle a little bit easier to work with. You know, so just the responsiveness of the throttle and all that good stuff. But it's a beautiful bike. It is a beautiful, beautiful bike. So cold, so cold. All right, now we're getting down to almost real temps, about 30 so far. Yeah, this was just a quick little, you know, just to show y'all what I decided to do. So yeah, bad decision Saturday, that's what we're gonna call this video. But yeah, I'm now a part of the Primo bike life. Ooh, this thing is, it's different. It's, I don't even know how to describe it. It obviously, you know, with me only having 3 miles on the trip, you know, and being so cold, I'm not going to do too much, but it's, ooh, the brakes are super grabby. Man, that's nice. All right, let's try to get it into neutral this time. All right, well, lights changed, whatever. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's got so much power. Feels so good actually. Oh, it's got one of those steering dampeners on it, which I didn't have one on my other bike or any of my other bikes before. So it's kind of cool. It probably does make some type of difference. I don't know. I don't know much of the science behind them. Haven't really looked into them much, to be honest with you. But yeah, this thing just roll on power. Like, I'm barely doing anything, and this thing just glides. Oh god, it's so cold. So cold. Tragic mistake doing this on such a cold day. Oh, but hey, you know what? You live and you learn. So I'm gonna end it off there as just a little teaser video for you guys. But I'm definitely gonna try to make a more inclusive video after I go through and learn a little bit more about this bike. Gonna learn, you know, how to work with the different settings and all that easier, and so I can just really show you all what I'm working with. So alrighty guys, well, I'm gonna head it off now. Alright, hope you like.